Hi, I'm Miss Megan from Cooper-Siegel Community Library, and I want to show you this week's DIY STEAM kit. It is making a marionette puppet. You're making a little inchworm. It's lots of fun and pretty quick, so let's go see how to do it.
Hi everyone, this is what you should have in your kit. You should have a craft stick, two little googly eyes, a bunch of pom-poms, and a needle with thread. The needle's already been threaded for you, but this needle is sharp, so you should chat with your grown-up about whether or not you need support doing this craft. I'm going to start by very carefully taking the needle off of this. Oh, also before you start, make sure you have some glue, some tape, and a pair of scissors. Because this needle is sharp, I am going to take one of my pom-poms and I am going to set it on the cardboard. And I am going to push down the sharp part of the needle into the middle of the pom-pom on the cardboard, so I do not poke myself. So again, you're going to set this piece of cardboard on a table and then poke the pointy bit of the needle into the cardboard, not hard, just enough to get your pom-pom, and then thread it through. And you're going to do that for all of your pom-poms now. So I'm just going to speed this up just a little bit. Okay, so this is the body of my inchworm. I'm going to take my two Google eyes and put them on. They might have some adhesive on them, or they might need some white glue to get them to stick. And then my little puppet has a face. You are now going to very carefully take the needle off of the thread and decide with your grown-up where the safest place to put this sharp needle is. I'm going to put mine taped back to this piece of cardboard. Now you are ready to add the threads to your marionette puppet. So I am going to measure probably about 6 to 8 inches, cut a little bit for my knot, and then I'm going to knot right up here. There is my first knot. Then pick a spot towards the middle of your inchworm in between two pom-poms, and you're going to do another knot right there. And then I'm going to trim the end here. And then I have another piece going up for the other side of my marionette. So I'm going to give it about the same amount of thread and tie it on to the other end. Okay, and then there is your marionette puppet. See if you can practice getting your marionette to move like an inchworm.
I hope that your inchworm puppets turned out well and that you're having fun playing with them. I have 2 book recommendations to go along with the kit. The first one is called Caterpillars by Claire Llewellyn, and the other one is Butterflies and Moths by Nick Bishop. Both of them have really great photographs of different caterpillars and the moths or butterflies that they grow into. I hope you enjoy learning more about butterflies, moths, and the caterpillars that they were before. Have a really great week. Bye.